Hello everyone, today I will solve some basic Excel questions. So first one says that download the file storecell 2011.txt and you have to download this file and the question is the formula used in the storecell.txt file is what? So here they are used in a comma delimited format. So the answer will be comma delimited format. So how we can change a text format to a comma delimited Excel format, we will show it now. So first we have to open the Excel file, then we have to go to the file and recent and the store cells 2011 txt file. Just click it here and then you have to select the deleted option, then you have to go to next, then you have to select the tab option and you have to select the comma option and then click next and all the things will be as usual and then you have to select the finish option. So after that you will get all the test files converted to the Excel file. So first we have to select all, and to expand those files we have to double click here to expand it. Okay, then what the second question is, import the file into Excel using the correct file format from the previous question, and how many rows of the data does the file contain. So here we have to count the rows of the data. So we have to go to the Excel file and we have to enter control down arrow. Here the down arrow shows that we have 2003 rows, but in the question clue has been given is do not count the top header. So here the row is 2003 and we have to deduct 1, so the row will be 2002. So here the answer will be 2002. Then the third question is sort the data by order date, oldest to newest, and then the order quantity, largest to smallest. After the date is sorted, what is the order ID of the order in the third row of the data? So we have to find out the third order ID number, third row order ID number. So first we have to sort order date, oldest to newest. So for this we have to click the sort filter and then custom sort. Then we have to select the order date here, sort by order date, oldest to newest. Then we have to click order quantity. For this we have to add a label, and here is the order quantity and it will be largest to smallest. So after that we have to click OK and my Excel will automatically update all the files. So now we have to go to our first row, so we have to select Ctrl plus up arrow and the third height value is 17058. We can see it right here. The third largest is 17058. So the answer will be here 17058. Next question is, using the cell reference, how could you calculate the unit price of the order in the first row of data? So for calculating the unit price, we have to select E2 divided by D2. So we can calculate the unit price by E2 divided by D2. And the next question is, insert a new column to the right of the cell columns and type the name unit price as the header. Using cell references, calculate the unit price of the order in the first row, then copy and paste the formula down to the remaining rows. And remember that rounded to 2 decimal places, what is the unit price of the last row of data? So we have to find out the last row of the data. So for doing this, we have to insert a row here, column here, sorry. So first enter a column and we have to give a name unit price. After that, we have to calculate the unit price. So we know the unit price rules is sales divided by order quantity. Okay, then enter. And for giving the 2 decimal places, we have to select it, and then we have to go to the format cell, and after that we have to give the currency and then click OK. Then it will show the 2 decimal places, and we have to calculate all my unit prices, and we just give a single command to fulfill all the cells by clicking here, double click here, and it will automatically fill up all the cells. Okay, then what we need to find out here, we need to find out the third row of data. So if we click Control down arrow, then we will see the last row data, and it is 30.28. So our answer for this question will be 30.28. Then the next one is, what is the largest unit price of this data? To calculate the largest unit price, we can use the max function. So we will use the max function here. So we can write largest unit price. Largest unit price will be equal to sign max. Then we have to select the range here. Yes. And the range is F2 to F2003, and then we will hit enter, and it will show the result 7122.17. So the answer will be 7122.17. The next one is, how many orders were sent by delivery truck? Assume each line is counted as a single order. So here we need to use the COUNTIF function. So we'll do it here. Our question is order sent by delivery truck. So, order sent by delivery truck. So we'll use here the COUNTIF function. COUNTIF. First we have to give the range, and here the range will be this one, ship mode, where we will count the criteria is delivery truck. And delivery truck will be within double quote. So if I hit enter here, then it will show the result 259. So for how many orders sent by delivery truck, it will be 259. Now what eighth question is, what is the total shipping cost of all orders by delivery truck? Here we have to use the SUMIF function to show the total shipping cost order sent by delivery truck. So total shipping cost. Right. Okay. So we have to use here the SUMIF function. So first we have to select the range. So what will be our range? So we will calculate the delivery truck range first. Then give a comma. The criteria is delivery truck. And then we have to give the shipping price here. So shipping price, shipping cost. Then we have to enter, and it will show the 11973.56. So the answer will be 11973.56. Next question is, if you wanted to know the range or the difference between the highest and lowest value of the shipping cost in this dataset, which formula would you use? So for maximum and minimum difference, we can use max minus min. So here the answer will be equals to max the range minus min range. So that's it. And now what is the average shipping cost of all orders sent by delivery truck? So here the answer must be in 2 decimal places, and we have to calculate the average by total cost by total number, and it will show the answer. So how we can do it? We can just use equals to sign, and we have to give the average number by total shipping cost divided by total order, and we will hit enter. Then it will show the answer, but here it's not the 2 decimal places, so we will convert it to 2 decimal places. So format cell, currency 2 decimal places, and okay. Then the answer will be 46.23. So the answer here will be 46.23. So that's it. So if my video is helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks.